Hey, it's Chris from Scarlett. Today we're here to talk about the Nederman S1000 shaker system. This is a brand new option offered from Nederman that I want to tell you a little bit about. So cleaning the bags, the filtration bags on our S1000 is part of the normal operation. Today, most people have to, grab a broomstick and we shake all the bags to shake that dust down to make sure that our filtration bags are functioning properly. And it's a bit of a process. So Nederman's come out with this awesome retrofit option. It's called a shaker. So right here is the shaker, and there's three options for the shaker. There's a manual version, which literally you grab right here, and we can manually shake it back and forth, which cleans all the bags at one time. The second option is a mechanical, which I'm going to demonstrate for you right now, which is a push button. Right, you have to manually push the button, but then it automatically shakes all the bags at the same time. And the third option is a automatic version, which is a PLC controller that's connected to the starter. So when you stop the dust collector, it automatically goes through its cycle and shakes the bags every single time you turn it off. Three different options from Nederman for the shaker system to make sure that your S1000 is filtering as best as it can. All right, we'll do one more little demonstration here of the shaker. Have a little look. Now this can be retrofitted on existing S1000 dust collectors, or you can buy it new with a brand new dust collector. Call us here at Scarlett if you'd like a quote on either a new S1000 or a retrofit kit. We're happy to help you with either one. Give us a call here at Scarlett. Thanks.